Hey guys, John Ortiz with BigYield.us. Today I've got Troy Covey and his pilot. They are our local aerial drone applicators. They're going to be working with us on the farm today. We're going to be spraying our Big Sweet Yield, our Big Sweet Yield DB, and our Yield Booster. So we're going to have some of this and our plots going on. We're at the right stage. We're at R1 to R3 on some different plots, and then we're also going to be spraying some of our corn as well. We're right at tassel. Troy, what do you got to say? How long you been doing this? What are your thoughts?
So we've been looking at, this is a very new technology, so it's just been out. And so we've done quite a bit of work here in the last couple of months.
Okay.
So it's new to us, but we're really enjoying what we're seeing. It's the applications. And probably one of the best things about using a drone and spraying is you're getting the whole plant.
Okay.
So it's the vortexes is pushing that spray down. It bounces off the ground, comes up underneath the plant, shakes the plant a little bit, so you're getting entire coverage around the plant. And we know that that's important even with pest control as well. Last year we actually threw a ground spray rig. We had it downfield, and we had a guy watching bugs downfield, and as they felt and heard the ground sprayer, the bugs were literally going underneath the leaves. So of course, on a ground sprayer, you're getting mostly the tops of the plant.
Yep.
So this is a big deal. I mean, we're really excited about it, and we can, about the same amount of time, we're a little bit higher price than a ground spray rig, but if you're not investing in a ground spray rig and you're saving that money, the ROI is pretty immediate, so it's a good choice.
And then one of the things too, with like early on with as much rain as we had a lot of people having trouble
getting in the field,
burned down or something along those lines. Now you guys are able to do that with some products as well?
Yeah, absolutely. And so yeah, that brings up a great point. So when you can't get in the field, a drone can. When you got to fast react, you can fast react with the drone as opposed to maybe a ground spray rig. So there's a lot of advantages to it. I think the most important thing is it's not easy. I'll say that. Everybody thinks it's, hey, let's go get a drone and let's go to work. It's expensive and it's complicated. It's taken us quite a time here to just, to be able to dial it in and get it ready. But once you got that dialed in, you really know what you're doing, there's a lot of advantages to it.
Can anybody go and buy one of these and fly them, or is there any licenses or anything that's required?
Yeah, so of course you got to have your applicator's license. Okay, you've got to have what they call an FAA 137.
Okay.
So when you're spraying material, not just flying the drone, spraying the material, and then of course you have to have your pilot's 107. That's the very first thing you got to have.
Okay.
So there's expense there, and they're not real easy tests. So it takes some doing to do it. So
awesome. Well, again, Mr. Troy and his pilot right there.
There's Kyle. Yeah.
We're gonna shoot some footage. You guys will go to see him spraying. We'll do some stuff like that. And again, I'm gonna remind you guys, August 24th is our field day. We're gonna be starting at 4 o'clock with plot tours. Early registration is gonna start around 3. We're gonna have some drawings for people who register early. We're gonna be giving away some of our products, our Yield Coat, our Big Sweet Yield, some Yield Booster, and all that great stuff. And you guys are going to be there with us on the 24th as well.
On the 24th, yep.
So we'll be able to do some demos and show you guys how this stuff works. Thank you very much and have a great day.
All right, thanks, John. Appreciate it.